Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Guys, for today's video I am in a different place. I'm in my bathroom and we need to do some updates here. So we're going to change a few things, especially our vanity. We also have to do a few things in the shower. I think we have to maybe paint the ceiling. Yeah, a few stuff. So first we're going to start by removing all of the things that we have inside our old vanity. We need to change this. It's in pretty bad condition. It's like, I don't know, like 10 years old. So yeah, we definitely need to change that. And we are going to replace it with one that we got from Home Depot. It costs about $200, something like that. It's a little bit bigger than this one. This is, I think, 24 inches. The other one is 30 or 31. So yeah, we're going to start on that. I'm going to remove all of the things that I have inside here, and then we're going to remove this and install the new vanity. So let's get started. This is the vanity that we are going to replace, and it's in pretty bad condition. It's super old. So look right here, on the bottom part. Yeah, we need to change this. The color is gonna be different too, so I'm pretty excited about that. So this is the new vanity, and this is the color. It's called pearl gray. That's one thing. That huge thing there, yeah, that's a dog. You take a bath today, right? I need to grab a mirror too because I want to change the one that I have, but I need to buy that. I need to find one perfect for this set.
No?
The vanity is set. Now we need to add all of like the plumbing system and these parts. This is the faucet that we used to have when we live in the apartment, when we like renovate the apartment. And we still have it. We use it there and not anymore, and it's basically brand new. So I have two options. Maybe use the one that we used to have, but that one is like this color. It's like a nickel silver color. I don't know if that's the correct name of that, but it's something like that. It's this color. The problem is that if I use this one, I need to change all of the accessories of our bathroom because it's not gonna match. If I have this black, everything needs to be black. If I have that silver nickel, everything needs to be the same color. So that's the little problem that I have right now. But I actually really like this one in black, and I think it's going to really change like the whole look of the vanity, and I think it can match. I don't know. So this is the design that the bathroom have in the center, and this is like the pearl gray, so it matches with the vanity. And these pieces here are like a very dark gray and dark green. So what do you think? I think it matches. I think it actually adds something. I don't know. I think it popped out really good. So it's a new day and we're gonna do so many things today. Hopefully we are gonna be done with the bathroom. We got these new stuff that we get from Amazon. If I find the link, I'm going to leave you that in the description box. We get them in black color. There's another piece there, and now finally everything matched. We also got a new mirror. We got these from Walmart and I'm so happy with it because it's a perfect size for these Vanity, and it just cost me like $40, something like that. I think the price is amazing because I have been looking for mirrors for so long and all of them are like over $100, and I got this one. It's very cheap. It's round and the like the edges are black, so it matched really well. There we go. This is the mirror. This is the camera. Now we need to do a few things. I'm sorry, my face is a mess. I have some pimples. I have no makeup. I'm sweating. But anyways, we have to do a few things. We need to paint the ceiling and I want to do some like touch-ups. So I have to do that. We also changed the light. Now it's a fan. You can see my hair. Yeah, we have a fan in the bathroom. It's pretty cool. I also want to change the curtain rod. We got a black one, so I want to change that too, but those are gonna be like the final touches. Okay guys, it's a new day and a few things to say. I started this project back in December, so it's been a few months, but I'm finally going to finish this project for you guys to be able to share it. So right now what I'm going to do is to basically dress up everything. I'm going to hang the curtain rod, towels, and I've also got something from Temu that I really want to share with you, and then the final reveal of this like small bathroom makeover. So yeah, let's get started on that. Okay, so first the curtain. This is the one that I got. It's from Walmart and I got it on clearance for like $5, super cheap, but I really like it because it has all of the colors that I'm currently using on my bathroom. It has these like pearl gray, which is the color of our Vanity. It has the cream from the walls, from the tile, and then it has this like navy color, which I really like. It's super neutral and I can use it all year round. So this is the curtain, $5 guys, and it's cotton, so it's really good material. And then I use this ones in black to match the rest of like the accessories that are black. These are the ones that I DIY on my apartment like 5 years ago, so I'm reusing them. Now let's hang these on my curtain rod. I got a black one too. Now for the towels and the rug, I'm going to use gray. I'm gonna try to be like very practical on this bathroom because we just have one bathroom in this house, so I need to keep things simple and practical. So I'm going to put it the way that we like it, the way that we use as a family, so it's what worked for us. This from Temu. because they are very inexpensive there. So they are plastic, but it works for us because I have little kids, so I think it matched really well. But I got 3 of them because I want to make this area look nice and organized. I don't like to see all of like the original packaging of the things that we use, so I love to put them here, and it makes the bathroom look so much better. So in one I have like hand soap, this one have this one have face soap because I'm washing my face all the time, and this one have mouthwash, so it looks so much better here than in like the original container. They come with these small tags. This one says body wash, the other one is shampoo and conditioner, so they don't actually work for this area. Maybe I can DIY something on the back and write like what is inside of each container, but because I always put them in certain order, I know what each one of them have. So maybe I can put a small decor piece here, but I want to keep things simple, practical, so I'm gonna leave like this. And it has this very like minimal vibe that I love. So this is the final result, guys.